We're going to continue integers by subtracting today. In the last lesson, we talked about two different ways for subtracting integers. You could use the number line, where if you're subtracting a positive, here we were subtracting a positive 2, so we move to the left. Or here we are subtracting a negative, so we move to the right. Number line is a nice visual way to be subtracting integers, but it's not always the most convenient, especially when you get to larger numbers. So we have another method. And that method says that there's no such way of subtracting integers. We have to turn it into something else instead. So we turn all subtracting integer problems into adding integer problems with the phrase keep switch opposite. After you have an adding integer problem, you follow that phrase same sign sum, different sign difference. Okay. Let's try some. I'm going to put 4 problems up here, and this represents the 4 different types of problems you will see. You're going to be using the number line method or this method with every subtracting integer problem you come across, with the exception of a problem like this. This is a normal subtraction where you're taking a little amount away from a large amount. So this would be the exception where you could solve this without our method. The method works. There's no such thing as subtracting integers, so I'm going to turn it into adding integers by using the phrase keep switch opposite. Keep the first number, switch subtraction to addition, and take the opposite of the second number. This is a positive 4, so now it's a negative 4. Now I follow adding integer rules. Same sign sum, different sign difference. These have different signs, sort subtraction. There's no such thing as subtracting integers, so I turn this into adding integers with keep, switch, opposite. Always keep the first number, switch to addition, take the opposite. Now I follow adding integer rules. Same sign sum, different sign difference. These have the same sign, so I'm adding. Okay, you're showing the work that I'm showing when I do these problems. Turn subtracting integers into adding integers with keep, switch, opposite. Make sure you write that stuff down. Now you're following adding integer rules. Different sign, difference, same sign sum, different sign difference. These have the same sign, so this is addition. Keep, switch, opposite, different sign difference. Okay, let's try another round. Push pause and try that now. Okay, every time, keep, switch, opposite. Adding integers says different sign difference. Keep, switch, opposite. Adding integers says same sign sum. Keep, switch, opposite, same sign sum. Keep, switch, opposite, different sign difference. Let's try another round. 20 minus 18. 20 minus a negative 18, negative 20 minus 18, negative 20 minus a negative 18. Push pause and try this now. This is a normal subtraction problem. You can do this problem without the method I just taught you, but you can also use the method as well. Change all subtraction problems into adding integers with keep, switch, opposite. And then follow adding integer rules, different sign difference. Keep, switch, opposite. These are both positive, so same sign sum. Keep, switch, opposite, same sign sum. Keep, switch, opposite, different sign difference. Now with adding and subtracting integers, the only way you're going to get better is by doing these problems over and over again. So making flashcards would probably be a good idea. We're going to do one more round just to make sure you've got this. 6 minus 12, 6 minus a negative 12, negative 6 minus 12, -6 minus a -12. Push pause and try those now. Keep, switch, opposite, different sign, difference. Keep, switch, opposite, same sign, sum. Keep, switch, opposite, same sign, sum. Keep, switch, opposite, different sign, difference.